Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do, man. First and foremost, we will not be doing the exterior of this car today. We already did the exterior like a week or so ago, and I'm just here to do the interior. And when I say I'm just here to do the interior, I'm here to do the interior. But like I said, we about to do this Honda. I think it's a Elantra, yeah, Honda Elantra. But we gotta go ahead and get it cracking, man. So we got a lot to take care of, man. So today the Lily Brush got to show out today. Look, I say Lily Brush for the show out today. Lily Brush about to show out. Look at that. Lily Brush about to show out today. She about to show her ass today. I mean, for real, she about to show her ass today, boy. Like, y'all see how dirty it is, but you see how that Lily Brush moving at hair. Tell what I say. If you don't have a Lily Brush, get you one, man. I don't care what you heard, the results. You seeing it right here in your face. How it just moved all that dog hair that fast, man. But yeah, man, get you a brush, get you a Lily Brush, man. You know what I mean? I don't care what anybody say. I know some people say it's not really that effective, but you seeing right here on live video how effective this thing is, right? Y'all see it, right? Huh? Y'all see that? So don't let nobody tell you this thing don't work. That's somebody just trying to sell their product, man. And I'm not a spokesperson for Lily Brush. I don't get paid for Lily Brush. But I'm just saying, if you're a detailer and you need something that's gonna work and be efficient, you see how efficient this thing works. Look how fast it just moved all that hair in that one spot. But regardless of the fact, man, I'm about to go ahead and get started. This is the only car I'll be doing today. I had other appointments, but I had to reschedule them today because I have to take my kids to the dentist. Today, I got to take all three of my kids to the dentist. The dentist appointment, the first one is at 2 o'clock or 1 o'clock, something like that. But I'll be done with this car before then. It is 9 o'clock. I'm talking, so I done already wasted like 10, 15 minutes because I've been talking on the phone, doing my Instagram reels, things like that. But I already got all the utensils out, got all the buckets, all purpose out, got the vacuum, stuff like this. But like I said, you see how easy the Lily Brush does the job. So the job gonna get boop, boop, bop, bam. I'm gonna hit that up real quick, wipe down, spray, hit the spray, hit the seats, swipe down the panels, hit the doors, get into the cup holders, just all that, wipe down the plastic, so like I said, we got a job to do, and we're gonna take care of the job. Y'all already know how that go. Y'all know your boy is a professional, and it's all about professionalism no matter what you're doing. Like I tell you all the time, I don't care what you're doing with your hands. God say in the Bible, if you believe in the Bible, God say no matter what you're doing with your hands, take pride in what you're doing with your hands, because your hands are what's gonna help you get to where you need to be regardless. Unless you don't have any hands, excuse me, I'm sorry. Not trying to sound like a butthole. But I'm gonna go ahead and start on this car, and we're gonna get it cracking, get it knocked out. And on that note, man, I'm gonna see you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We got this Hyundai Elantra completely knocked out. You know what I mean? Had dog hair literally everywhere. Like I said, it looked like it was a cat fight in here, but we got all the dog hair out. It was dog hair literally all on the back of these seats. The doors was dirty, you know what I mean? Even up here, you remember how bad it was. It had dog hair literally everywhere, all under here, all between here, things like that. But we got everything done, man. Did the seats as best as possible, you know what I mean? Made sure we got the whole, this whole area and everything. Like I said, I'm not doing the exterior because it's already time for me to start heading home, start getting my vehicle to get my kids. It's 10:53 right now. So, like I said, it took me 2 hours to do the interior of this car, but the car came out fine. I'm finna let her know. She can come down and look at her car. Like I said, we knocked it out. Like I said, it was just the interior. So, we definitely gonna continue this day. But like I said, we're done working for the day. I hope you like what the channel been popping up on the channel. I hope y'all subscribe to my other channel, True TV, True Lounge TV. Hope y'all subscribe to that. See, I just wiped down the door jams. The door jams is pretty dirty. You know what I mean? You see the door jams, how dirty the door jams look. Just take a little spray, just clean them. But yeah, just give it a quick clean on these door jams, things like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and call her down. Let her know she can come check out the car. You know what I mean? Gonna put the vacuum up and put everything back up. I just need to hit those mats, and then I'm done. But like I said, this is the only car for the day, man. So like always, man, do what you gotta do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Stick to the script, man. Stay positive. You know what I mean? Stay dedicated. Do what you gotta do, man. Do what you gotta do. Don't worry about what other people telling you to do, because because everything don't work for everybody. Do what you think, what works best for you. You know, follow your own dreams, follow your own instincts. And on that note, man, like always, one love, you know, love thyself. You know, look in the mirror, say I love you, say I love you. And on that note, like always, man, peace.
Cause I was on YouTube. Watch the TY 38.